I'm not saying I'm the best. All my dreams coming true bit by bit. And finally see my mom get some rest. Used to work in restaurants, smile, worked hard just to get a fucking tip. I'm not saying it was hell. Mom's hugs and smiles made a nigga get well. Getting money, living life sounds swell, don't it? I seemed happy, but not completely satisfied. Knowing I had no father made a nigga cry. Only time I saw him was once when he gave me $100. He ran on us when I was one. I don't feel hatred towards him. All I want is for him to be happy and proud of what I've become. And hopefully he thanks my mother for a job well done. Yeah.